You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, which I believe is more of a Mexican recipe, even though the title itself means Swiss enchiladas. Okay, enchiladas is how you say the main name of the dish in Spanish or Mexican. If you want to learn food names from Mexico, stay tuned. Enchiladas, okay, enchiladas. Now the second word means Swiss, so from Switzerland. Now in Mexico they say it as Suizas, okay, pronouncing the Z or the Z like an S. Enchiladas Suizas. Now in Spain they would pronounce the Z like TH, so Suizas. Enchiladas Suizas. But of course that's more Mexican, so Enchiladas Suizas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.